What if I told you that AI is already powerful enough to help people earn money online, yet 90% of people still fail? Not because AI is fake, not because opportunities are gone, but because they approach AI in the completely wrong way. In this video, I'm going to explain why most people fail with AI, and more importantly, how you can avoid those mistakes and build a realistic, repeatable path toward making $100 per day using AI. This is not hype. This is not motivation. This is strategy, tested, practical, and built for real humans like you. The big misunderstanding. The biggest misunderstanding about AI is this. People think AI is a magic button. They believe one tool will change their life, one prompt will make them rich, one viral video will solve everything. But AI doesn't work like that. AI is not a shortcut. AI is a multiplier. Think of it like this. If your car is pointed in the wrong direction, hitting the gas pedal faster just makes you get lost quicker. Similarly, if your direction is unclear, AI multiplies confusion. If your system is weak, AI scales failure. But if you have clarity plus consistency, AI becomes your force multiplier. This is why so many people feel excited for one week, then burn out and quit the next. They're not lazy, they're just missing the foundation. Reason number 1, no clear goal. Most people open AI tools with zero intention. One day they try YouTube automation, the next day freelancing with ChatGPT, then dropshipping with AI product descriptions, then crypto trading bots that use AI. They're busy but not focused. AI rewards clarity, not chaos. You don't need 10 ideas, you need one simple, specific outcome. For example, I want to build an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel in the personal finance niche that earns $100 per day from AdSense and affiliate links within 6 months. That one sentence does 3 things. 1, defines the platform, YouTube. 2, defines the method, AI-assisted content. 3, defines the metric, $100 per day in 6 months. That clarity alone puts you ahead of 80% of people who are just trying stuff. Reason number 2, consuming more than creating. Here's a hard truth. Most people use AI to consume, not to create. They spend hours watching videos like Top 10 AI Tools You Must Try, or This New AI Just Dropped, Game Changer, or How I Made 10K with AI, Secret Method. But they never do anything. They collect prompts, they bookmark tutorials, they join 10 Discord groups, but they never publish, ship, or test. Remember this, AI only works after action. Even a bad video uploaded today is worth more than 100 saved tutorials, 50 bookmarked tools, and 0 real results, because creators learn by doing. Consumers stay stuck in theory. AI doesn't pay for watching, it pays for shipping. Reason number 3, copying without understanding. Another major reason people fail is blind copying. They see a viral AI video with 1 million views and think, if I copy this exact script, I'll get the same results. But here's what they miss. Why it worked. Timing, hook, emotion. Who was the audience? Newbies? Experts? What problem did it solve? Boredom? Fear? Curiosity. AI can copy words, but it cannot copy strategy. You must understand the logic behind what's working. Otherwise, you're just repackaging noise, flooding the market with low-value content, wasting your time. Real creators reverse engineer, then adapt. Copycats just recycle and disappear in 30 days. Reason number 4, ignoring the human element. Here's something most AI gurus won't tell you. AI can't replace your unique perspective. People don't buy from bots, they buy from people they trust. Even if your video uses AI voice and AI visuals, your angle, your framing, your story must feel human. Example, 2 channels use AI to make money online videos. Channel A, generic tips, robotic tone, no personality. Channel B shares real struggles, adds personal lessons, speaks like a friend. Guess which one builds a loyal audience? AI handles production. You handle connection. Don't hide behind AI. Use it to amplify your voice, not replace it. The simple AI system that works. Let me simplify everything into one repeatable system. A working AI income system has only 4 parts. 1. One platform. Example, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even Etsy. 2. One core skill. Example, AI-assisted script writing and video editing. 3. One audience problem. Example, I want passive income but don't know where to start. 4. One monetization method. Example, affiliate links, digital products, or ad sets. AI helps you research faster, write scripts in minutes, generate thumbnails, voiceovers, even subtitles. But you decide the message, the niche, the consistency. Consistency beats complexity. One video a week with clear value, more than 10 chaotic posts. Real example, how Sarah made $100 per day. Let me share a real example. Sarah, a teacher from Ohio, had 0 tech skills. She started in January 2024. Her goal? Use AI to create a YouTube channel teaching simple AI tools for small businesses. She picked one platform, YouTube Shorts, one skill, using ChatGPT and Pictory, one audience, local shop owners, and one offer, a $19 AI Starter Kit PDF. She posted 3 shorts per week, used AI to turn blog posts into scripts, generate voiceovers, create captions automatically. By month 4, 28K subscribers, $120 per day from digital product sales. Not because she's a genius, but because she started simple, stayed consistent, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. You don't need to be first, you just need to start and keep going. Final message and CTA. Here's the truth nobody tells you. AI will not make you rich overnight, but it will quietly reward those who show up day after day. If you treat AI like a lottery ticket, you'll fail. If you treat AI like a lever in a system, you'll grow. So ask yourself today, what's one clear goal I can commit to? What's one platform I'll focus on? What's one problem I can solve with AI? Start small, stay consistent, and let AI amplify your effort, not replace your thinking. If you found real value in this video, check the description below for the exact AI tools I use daily. They're free or low cost, and they work. Your future income doesn't depend on luck. It depends on what you do in the next 48 hours. Because while others are watching, you could be building. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.